if you must make it in abroad, okay, there are some qualities, okay, or there are some principles you need to keep in order to make it in abroad. Most people always feel very, very discouraged at first whenever they find themselves in abroad. Now, I want us to think about this. Even in your country, as an African person, of course, we have different states, okay, in different countries, right? Now, let's take Nigeria, for example. Now, let's say you are in Abuja and you are doing your business, and suddenly things changed that you needed to relocate to another state. Let's just say you are relocating to Lagos. You agree with me that you are getting to meet new people, okay, trying to know how they operate and co, which as a business person, coming there for the first time as a business person, you need to study the environment, you need to understand the way they run their things there, and you get to meet new people, make new friends, make new customers, then begin to gain your ground. Now, you can imagine how many months or years that will take you. Now, compare it with you relocating from your own country to another country. Do you think it will be that easy and fast for you to just start making it the way you think? The answer is no. Except on one condition, that you got employed from your country and the company who employed you, okay, secure the visa for you, okay, book a flight ticket for you, already you have your own accommodation, of course, everything is there for you. That one is totally different, okay? Now, I mean you, okay, that you got the visa yourself and you are going there, okay, without the sponsorship of any company or any government. Automatically, you need to imbibe one virtue, in fact, one important virtue. I must have to call it important virtue, and which is what? Which is patience. Patience, I repeat again, patience. If you don't have patience, okay, as a virtue inside of you, you can never make it in abroad. Yes, and this is more reason why most people will just relocate in any part of the world. They won't spend more than 1 month or even weeks, maybe based on the first experience they had. They'll begin to be discouraged. Before you know, they will prefer to go back to their country where they came from. So you need to, embrace this virtue of patience. Yeah, patience. You need to be patient. Try to study the environment, try to know the way they operate, and of course, above all, be prayerful. Yes, be prayerful. Why I said be prayerful is this: in every new level of a man, there is a new devil. So you don't expect to be leaving your own country to, let's say, a country whom you think that they are more better than your own country, for you to start making it just like that. You need to pay the price. And what is that price? The price is a price of patience. Patience and prayerfulness. Patience together with what? Prayer. So see you in my next video, and do well to follow my social media handles. Stay safe and bye for now.